5 Air Jordan 1s that are going to skyrocket in price in 2022. Let's do it. This list is not in any particular order. I'm just going to tell you guys 5 Air Jordan 1s that I believe will skyrocket in price in 2022. These are all sneakers that have released this year in 2021 and are all really solid Jordan 1 investments that you guys can make. Starting off with number 5, we have the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1. Currently going for about $350 to $400 depending on size. The big sizes are where the money is at on this one. This sneaker is very clean, executed very nicely, had a lot of hype, a lot of demand on this sneaker. Resale right off the jump was over $400 in every size. It has come down since release, but I do believe this is easily going to be a $450 sneaker once again. This is a clean Air Jordan 1. I think it's a really solid personal and definitely a Jordan 1 to have that will definitely go up in price. Smaller sizes are about $350. I see those going up, easily hitting $400, and the bigger sizes that are currently at $400, those will go to about $450. The Turbo Green Air Jordan 1s are the Jordan 1 that are very similar to this one. Those were reselling for around $200, $220, and if you take a look at them now, they've skyrocketed to over $500. The colorway is similar. I think people like the Hyper Royals more than the Turbo Greens. So I think long term, these are gonna do phenomenal. This is a really dope Jordan 1 that I definitely see going up in 2022. Number 4, if we talked about the Hyper Royals, you know we gotta talk about the University Blues. The University Blue Air Jordan 1 was extremely hyped. One of the most hyped Jordan 1s of the entire year. Bigger sizes were reselling for around $450, almost $500. They have dropped a little bit to around low 400s now. They will see $550, $600 in the near future. I see in 2022 them definitely going up to like $475, even $500 once again. Definitely one of a lot of people's favorite sneakers of the entire year. Don't forget, guys, these released this year, so these are probably gonna be on a lot of people's favorite sneakers of the year list. We got the University Blue 4s. We got this University Blue a good amount this year. This nice University Carolina Blue. Very, very nice. And they put it here on the Jordan 1 with nice materials, nice, leather, nice nubuck, just a dope sneaker. And resale and hype was there. The sneaker restocked. Prices have dropped a little bit, but they're staying very steady. And I definitely see them going up in 2022. Do not sleep on the University Blue Air Jordan 1. Don't forget, guys, these released this year. This is a banger. Don't forget about the Cool Gray Jordan 11 giveaway. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave your Cool Gray Jordan 11 size down below in the comments. Sneakerheads, I want to show you guys how great Sole Premise backpacks truly are. So this right here is the Sole Premise bag that holds 4 to 5 pairs of sneakers. That's right, a bunch of sneakers inside the backpack with a ton of space. Let me show you. So right here, I have, as you guys can see, my Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows, as well as my Nike SBs inside of the bag. I have more room on the other side as well. The other side of the bag, there's another compartment. I also have my Alma Air Jordan 3s and my black and white Nike Dunks in the bag as well, with even more space. I have room for clothing, accessories, my laptop, tons of space in this bag as well. On the bottom of the bag, I have my Nike Dunks. That's right, the bottom of the bag, I can hold another pair of sneakers, tons of zippers, tons of compartments on Sole Premise bags. They make backpacks, duffel bags, all TSA approved, tons and tons of bags, all different styles for sneakerheads. The link is down below in the description. Use my discount code DannyMoore to save you 40% off your entire order from SolePremise.com. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. I absolutely love their bags. They're very affordable and a must-have for sneakerheads. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Number 3, I don't own this sneaker yet. It is on the way from Nike. I just wanted to include it in this video. The Starfish Air Jordan 1 Low, also known as the Shattered Backboard Jordan 1 Low. Guys, you know these are going up in price. Right now, at about low 200s, they're gonna see $300, $400. This is gonna be an expensive sneaker in the next few years. In 2022, I see them easily hitting $275 or $300 in most, if not every size. Guys, they're going up. The Starfish Jordan 1 low, that color blocking with that orange on a Jordan 1. Do you guys remember the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0, the Starfish Jordan 1s that nobody liked, and now all of a sudden, look at prices. They're crazy expensive. I told you guys to hold on to those. They skyrocketed. Well, guys, this Jordan 1 low, the Starfish, is also going to skyrocket. I see them definitely going up in 2022. And after that, man, just gonna be an expensive, sought after Air Jordan 1 low. Go cop the Starfish Jordan 1 low. Definitely had to put those on this list. With the success of the Mocha Air Jordan 1, I have to tell you guys about number 2 on my list. Listen up. The Mochas resell for about $550 to $600. This was a $350 sneaker that rather quickly rose to $450, and then from that point forward have gone up to $550, and about to hit $600. So the Mocha, very successful Air Jordan 1. I did not put this on the list because this sneaker released in 2020. I do believe the Mochas will continue to rise in 2022. Let's talk about the Mocha Jordan 1 low, number 2 on my list. This sneaker is undervalued compared to the Mochas. Of course, they're gonna always be less. However, this sneaker is not going for as much money as it could and should be reselling for. They're reselling right now for about $200. This is a Jordan 1 low. We get a lot of Jordan 1 lows. They mass produce them. However, this one, it seems it's like it's more limited than most Jordan 1 lows, which means resale is gonna go up. They do have the brown, they have the white toe box, the white midsection, everything is there for this sneaker to go up in price. It even has the Mocha name. We're even dubbing it the Mocha Jordan 1 low. Guys, that right there is gonna carry resale up. Right now, like I said, around 200. I see them going up to 250, even potentially $300 in 2022. There's still room, plenty of room for profit in the Mocha Jordan 1 low. They switched up the inside. They give us a new sock liner, nice quilted action going on, something very similar to the Air Jordan 3. Guys, the Mocha lows have got to go up in price. I had to put these on the list. The success of the Mochas, you know, the Mocha lows have got to rise and skyrocket in price in 2022. Go cop the Mocha lows now before it's too late. If you missed out on the Mocha's highs, next best thing, the Mocha lows. Go cop now before it's too late, because these are going up in price. And the last and final sneaker on my list I do not own yet. This sneaker does release at the end of December. This sneaker is a banger. One of the most hyped Air Jordan 1s of the entire year. One of the most anticipated. And this sneaker is going to have very, very nice resale potential down the line. Right off the jump, it's going to be profitable. But over time, oh my goodness, these are going up. The patent leather Air Jordan 1 bread. Do I need to say much more? Guys, the bread colorway is back on the Jordan 1. This time, patent leather finish, which is going to draw some people away, but most will love it, eat it up. I think resale will be around $300, $350 for the bread patent leather Jordan 1s, and go up in 2022 and reach more higher numbers. They're going up. They gotta go up in 2022, and I don't think it's gonna take too long. The bread colorway is very in demand. Jordan 1s, of course, are at like a really good time right now, and this is gonna be a great release. A lot of hype, a lot of demand. I'm hearing a lot of pairs, but trust me, not everybody's gonna get the bread patent leather Jordan 1s. We know how it is, guys. This sneaker is gonna sell out and do great, and I definitely see them having great potential to skyrocket in 2022. Make sure you guys cop the bread patent leathers. Do not sleep on this sneaker release at the end of December. Let me know your list down below in the comments. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's see if we can run this video up to 500 likes. That would be great. Don't forget, we're doing a Jordan 11 Cool Gray giveaway. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.